Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make easy carrot body butter. This body butter will help to nourish, make your skin to glow, and it is a simple body butter that you don't need any preservative. So continue watching to find out how I make this carrot body butter. To make this carrot butter, I've already washed the carrots, peeled the carrots, so I'm grating the carrots into smaller pieces. When I'm done grating the carrots, you can spray out the carrots on oven tray and allow to dry. After about 3 days, the grated carrot has dried. I'll be adding it into a clean jar. When I'm done adding all the dried carrots, I'll be adding enough oil to cover the dried carrots. Feel free to use any oil of your choice like coconut oil, almond oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil. I will add enough oil to cover the carrots. Then I'm going to cover the jar and give it a good shake. You can leave it to infuse for some days. After about 2 weeks of infusing these carrots, the carrot oil is ready. I'm going to strain to get the carrot oil. Then you can see that my carrot oil is ready. I'm going to store the carrot oil in a clean container. Using dried carrots will make this body butter to last longer, and I don't need to add any preservative. Carrot oil is ready. I'll be making use of shea butter, so I'm going to melt the shea butter. You can also make use of coconut oil, cocoa butter, mango butter. So I'm going to add the carrot oil into a clean bowl. You need more oil than the butter. So 60% of the oil and 40% of the shea butter. So I'm going to add the shea butter into the carrot oil. Then I will mix to combine. I'm going to cover the bowl and keep it in the fridge to solidify. For 3 hours or more, I'm going to whisk. I will whisk until the texture changes to creamy form. As you can see, the texture have changed. So I'm going to I'll be adding glycerin.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.
I'll also add some few drops of lavender oil. Feel free to use any essential oil of your choice. I'll be adding vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will help to moisturize your skin. Then I will whisk to combine all the ingredients. This carrot body butter is so good because it has anti-aging properties, and carrot is rich in vitamin A, C and E. Making use of this carrot butter will help to boost your dull skin and make your skin to glow. So I'm going to store the butter in a clean container. So I'll add the whisk carrot butter into a nylon or plastic bag so that I can easily transfer it into a container.
Turning truth to lies, gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking.
When I'm done adding, I'm going to transfer the butter into a clean container. Please make sure that the container is dried and clean to avoid contaminating the body butter. Finally, the carrot butter is ready. This carrot butter will help to nourish your skin, and your skin will enjoy all the nutrients from the carrots. This is an easy way to make your carrot butter without preservative, and I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.